using a pivot table in a data set that has both continuous and nominal values. Click on Insert, select Pivot Table. First thing you're going to do is select your range. I'm just going to select this whole data set here. And you can either put it in the existing worksheet or create a new worksheet. I'm going to make a new worksheet just to make it cleaner. And there you have the elements of, so you have your pivot table on the left and your fields on the right here. So we're just going to pop the region in here into the rows, and we're going to go back here and put these in values so we have a count. Okay, so now we have our data set. We're going to make that a little bit easier to see. All right. You can also edit here. You can, for example, remove the blanks, or you can create even additional filters if you just wanted to look at certain elements in the pivot table. So we have our nominal values. We could also add in some continuous values here. So, and we can change it from count. Change here, we can put in the, make that the average, and we can go back here and we can some other things. Let's put in the standard deviation. There you go. We can clean this up a little bit later with the decimal places, but here's an example of using the pivot table to create both counts and statistics. You can then go on and create some charts. So let's just do a simple one here with the count of the regions, and we'll make a pie chart from this. And then of course we can get more specifics with maybe formatting the data series or adding labels here. Okay, so we have the count. Maybe we want to change this. So we've got some other options here that we can take a look at. Those we can format the data labels. So instead of the value, maybe we want to change that to %. And so we have other options here. We can click on series and category names and get additional options here. And of course, up on the top we have a wider array of formatting options for the table itself. Depending on the type of table, you have options on changing around the format, the color, and of course even the data itself. You can change the type. I'm going to go here from a pie to a bar. Of course we'll have to change our labels here, make that a little bit easier to read. Still has some work to do, but you get the general idea.